Hi guys, this is Gurinder Singhal from technervous.blogspot.in. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of this new kit, that is an EMF32 Geko starter kit. So this is the weather station version of the kit from Silicon Labs. So this kit was provided to me by Element 14 as a part of a road test. uh, you should seriously consider joining Element 14 as they are giving away Beaglebone Blacks for Beaglebone Blacks revision C. That is the latest revision of Beaglebone Black for the new joining members. So you can use my referral code, that is GSGILL 112. So this is my referral code. I repeat, GSGILL 112, and you can stand a chance to win Beaglebone Black. So this particular draw up is only till Feb first week, so to apply today. Continuing with this, so as I said that this is a weather station version of the Geko kit. So this is an SLSTK3201A version of the kit. So basically this kit has a zero-gecko starter board, which is an ARM Cortex M0 based very low power development board, and it has a small weather station sensor expansion board which you can plug it and probably have a weather station demo. So this is the box, energymicro.com. Okay, so as you can see, this is powered by ARM Cortex M0. Cool. So we'll go ahead and open this, and this is what you get in this kit. So you have the main board, and as I said, you have a weather station board. Then you have a USB cable and a small startup, kind of a informative getting started card. Cool. So I'll keep this aside and we'll first go through the board. So this is the board. So this is the EMF32 zero-gecko board. So I have already opened this board and tested it whether everything works fine. So you can see a coin cell battery inserted here. Your board won't come with this coin cell battery. So this is basically a really beautifully designed board. So you have an J-Link debugger, that is a Sega debugger embedded just besides this LCD. So this is an sharp memory LCD, 128 cross 128 pixels, and this is a debug header. So basically what you can do is you can use this J-Link Sega debugger to debug external MCU. So this is the main microcontroller which is there on the board, the EMF32 microcontroller. So what you can actually go ahead and do is you can instead of going and using this JTAG, bind it to this particular microcontroller. Usually the development boards will have some kind of a JTAG implementation which will be binded to this microcontroller. They have given you an option of actually disconnecting this microcontroller and using this JTAG connector to connect to an external microcontroller. So if you have an external microcontroller, you can actually plug in your JTAG here and debug the external EMF32 microcontroller. So the part number on this board, okay, so I have to check that. Okay, so the part number which is there on this board is EMF32ZG 222F32. So this particular part number is you probably cannot see that. So this particular IC has a ARM Cortex M0 Plus based microcontroller. So it's extremely low power, and it has 32K of your storage, code storage space, and 4K of RAM. And very interesting feature of this board is that it can basically tell you the power consumption in real time of this microcontroller. So it has a power debugger, something similar to what the latest MSP 430 launchpads have implemented, but using a very simple interface and software, you can actually gather the information of the power consumption of this particular microcontroller. More on this board, you have two user LEDs, two buttons, some breakouts, some expansion breakouts here, and two touch buttons. So we'll go into the demo of this board in a bit. First, let us see the expansion sensor board. So this is the sensor board. So let's open it. So this is the sensor board. So this sensor board is based around this particular humidity oblique temperature IC. So this humidity temperature IC is uh, a new release product from Silicon Labs. So it's very accurate, and it has this, you can see, a small white filter on top so that dust cannot enter. Then you'll have a small optical sensor on this particular board. So as you can see, it's pretty heavily shielded for the optical sensor. So this optical sensor is capable of detecting infrared and all your other optical needs. So basically, what they have given, so they have an example in which you can actually use this board and plug it with the zero gecko board, something like this, and use it as a weather station demo. So this board is specifically designed for this. You can plug it, and here you go, one complete piece of board. Okay, so going into the demo, so as I have plugged in the battery here, I won't go into connecting a power cable and all. Let's see how it works. So this is the demo application which comes. So you have this getting started, and then interestingly, this particular kit has a demo application which is actually a game. So you can actually press this button to start playing. So this is an asteroid game, and as you can see that the touch works pretty good, and it responds to the button also. So you also have a weather application. I'll be doing a small demo on the weather application later on. So this is it. This is the out of the box experience for the EMF32 zero gecko board. So please subscribe to my channel, and see you later.